The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders and terrors beyond our imagination. One of the most terrifying truths we have uncovered is the impending collision between our Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda galaxy. This cosmic event, set to occur in approximately 4.5 billion years, will be a cataclysmic spectacle that could forever alter the fate of our galaxy. The Andromeda galaxy, also known as M31, is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way and is currently hurtling towards us at a staggering speed of 110 kilometers per second. This collision is not just a possibility, it is an inevitable outcome of the gravitational forces at play in our universe. But what does this mean for our galaxy, our solar system, and ultimately, for us? When the two galaxies collide, it will not be a head-on crash, but rather a complex dance of celestial bodies. The immense gravitational forces will cause the stars within both galaxies to be flung into new orbits. Interestingly, despite the scale of this collision, it is unlikely that individual stars will collide due to the vast distances between them. However, the gravitational interactions will trigger a wave of star formation as gas clouds are compressed and collapse, igniting new stars. One of the most fascinating aspects of this collision is the formation of a new galaxy. As the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, they will create a single, larger elliptical galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. This new galaxy will be vastly different from the spiral structures we are familiar with, lacking the distinctive arms that define our current galactic home. But what about our solar system? Current simulations suggest that our Sun and its planets will likely be flung into a new orbit, possibly further from the galactic center. While this might seem alarming, it is important to note that life on Earth will have already undergone significant changes by this time, given the Sun's evolution into a red giant phase. The collision will also have profound effects on the supermassive black holes at the centers of both galaxies. These behemoths, each millions of times the mass of our Sun, will eventually merge to form an even more massive black hole. This process will release enormous amounts of energy, potentially creating powerful jets of radiation that could be observed across the universe. Recent observations using the Hubble Space Telescope have provided new insights into this impending collision. Detailed measurements of the motion of stars within the Andromeda galaxy have allowed astronomers to refine their predictions, confirming that the collision is not just an abstract theory, but a well-established future event. In addition to the Hubble observations, data from the Gaia mission has provided a more comprehensive map of the Milky Way's stars, further enhancing our understanding of how the collision will unfold. These missions highlight the importance of continued space exploration and observation, as they allow us to peer into the future and prepare for the cosmic events that lie ahead. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies is a stark reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. While it is a terrifying prospect, it is also a testament to the incredible forces that shape the cosmos. As we continue to explore and understand our universe, we can only marvel at the events that await us in the distant future,